Let's make your life easier, because we all know that painting with a whole class of young artists is brilliant, but can sometimes feel like a bit of a car crash. So here are 12 ways that will save you time, energy, and stress when teaching painting with your class. Stop using paint trays. Use scrap printer paper instead. Then you can just fold it up and pop it in the bin. Stop endlessly replacing dirty paint water. Save arguments and time by adding a communal dirty water bowl. They wash their brushes in this first, leaving their painting water crystal clear. Get a grip. Put elastic bands on brushes to help little hands and fine motor skills. Get a spray bottle. Great for quickly prepping paint and paper. Unsticky your sticky tape. Stick it on your clothes to stop paper ripping. Stop puddles. Control water with a sponge in a container. This will clean and wet brushes at the same time. Thick paper is good paper. If you don't have the budget for quality painting paper, you can use wallpaper lining paper instead. Think upside down. The bottom of the brush is amazing for painting dots. No more stuck lids. It seems obvious, but let your watercolour trays dry overnight before popping the lids back on. Table covers are annoying. They are clumsy, take ages to clean, and get sticky. I use a larger piece of paper instead. You can even add prompts or last minute names to it. Splatter paint with less mess. Don't flick the paint. Tap your brush against the pencil to control the spray. Dump the brushes. Occasionally. You can use card for straight lines or sponges and stencils. Experiment. And here's a bonus tip. Take a strip of paper and fold it into a concertina, and now you'll have somewhere to keep your dirty brush off the table. I never know how to finish these videos.